Four police officers in the Philippine capital were arrested for kidnapping four foreign tourists for ransom. The officers, along with armed civilians, intercepted a luxury car carrying three Chinese and one Malaysian tourist, handcuffed them, and forced them into a van. Two Chinese tourists escaped and alerted authorities. The captives were beaten but released after a ransom of 2.5 million pesos, $43,100, was paid. Information from the freed tourists and security camera footage led to the arrest of the four officers, including a police major. Interior Secretary Bonher Abalos expressed shock and condemned the breach of public trust. Authorities are seeking at least 10 other civilian suspects involved in the crime. Criminal complaints for kidnapping, carjacking, and robbery were filed against the arrested officers. This incident highlights ongoing issues within the Philippine police force, which former President Rodrigo Duterte had described as deeply corrupt. Duterte's anti-drug crackdown, marked by thousands of killings, is under investigation by the International Criminal Court for possible crimes against humanity. Duterte and his police chiefs denied authorizing extrajudicial killings despite Duterte's public threats against drug suspects during his presidency, which ended in 2022.